Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be looking into how we can remove a file from Git. Okay, so first of all, let's see which all files we have in this particular directory. If you can see from the visual code also, you will find that there is one file, okay, or you can use ls command. That is sample.html file we have, okay. Let me add one more file, okay, and that file we will be trying to remove it, okay. So let's use simple touch dummy file.html. Hit enter. If I do ls now, you can see there are two files. Okay. If I do git status, it will give me that there is one file which is untracked, right? So first of all, let me add this file. Okay, git add followed by the file name. Okay, and then let me commit this. Git commit message hyphen m double quote. You will type your message. Enter. Okay, so you have committed your file. Okay, so let's do git status. You will see nothing to commit. Right now, I have accidentally committed this file, dummy file, right? So I want to remove this from my commit before I push this code one level up, right? So there is very simple command which you can use, which is git rm, okay, and then file name dummy file.html. Okay, so it's get rm file name. Okay, if I hit enter, okay, it is going to delete that file. Okay, if you have seen in the visual studio code, you will see that the file has been deleted. Even if you do ls here, it is being deleted. Okay, this is how you can delete the file from your commit itself. Okay, but now there is a use case that I don't want to delete the file from my system. Okay, I just want the file to be removed from the git. Okay, and specifically I don't want this file to be tracked, right? So what let me add this back. Okay, let's say touch um, uh, dummy file2.html. Okay, and if I do ls, you will see that dummy file2.html and sample.html file is there. Okay, now there is very simple command which you have to use just to remove this from your git. Okay, I don't want to delete this file from my system. Okay, I still want this file. Okay, so you have to do git rm hyphen hyphen cached, and then the file name itself, it's dummy file2.html. Okay, so you have to remove this from the cached area, that is git. Okay, so if I do this, okay, sorry, I have to first add this file to my repo, right? So first let me add dummy file2.html. Okay, then I have to commit this, commit m, and then add it, dummy file2.html. Okay, so I have added this file. Now I have to remove this, right? So let me quickly use this. Okay, git rm hyphen hyphen cached dummy file2.html. Okay, so if you can see in our explorer as well, visual studio code, here is the file, right? I just don't want it to be tracked, right? So that is why I'm using hyphen cached parameter, right? So let me hit enter. Okay, if now I do ls, you will still find this file in your system, right? As well as you can see in Visual Studio Code that this file exists here. Okay, but if I do git status, okay, this is what you will see: untracked file. Now this is in untracked mode. Okay, So basically, I don't want this file to be committed to my or getting pushed to the master branch or the origin branch, okay, or even to my remote branch, right? So I basically want to remove it from my commit. That is why we are using this code. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.